thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint, such an amazing opportunity. You know, you're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. You know, I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. You know, I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level. I enjoy about it, you know, it's no chargebacks, no MLM. When you get paid, you get paid. Another thing I'm so super excited about is the 100% profit. You know, if you have any type of knowledge of brokerage system or affiliate marketing, you don't get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. You're not getting crumbs of what's actually being paid. I'm looking forward to doing amazing things, helping a lot of people. That is in my heart. That's in my nature. That's what I love to do, is help people. So what an amazing opportunity to be able to share this with others. Thank you guys so much for creating this.
Hey guys, Nick here, Mr. Millionaire Insight. How are you? So, a little bit about my experience in IPS. I started out my journey in online business about 8 years ago. I was a network marketer, and I came from a system where we prospected for everything. Phone calls, everything, kneecap to kneecap, and being disabled, I couldn't keep that up. I couldn't maintain that for a long period of time. I had to find something that I can do online from home, from my smartphone or my tablet, and I stumbled upon this about a month and a half ago, and it has been a godsend. I've been able to make money while spending time teaching my kids or having fun with my kids, spending time with my wife. It has been absolutely amazing, and this community that Michelle has, it's absolutely second to none. So stop thinking about it and jump in and get to make daily pay.
Hi, my name's Chris, and I just wanted to take a minute and talk about how this community has literally changed my life. I have learned so much here. I have learned how to grow an online business, how to grow my email list, how to put things on automation, how to use social media the right way. I am a single mom. I went through a horrible divorce, and I was lost. I didn't know what I was going to do. I needed to find a way to supplement my income that I was making at my 9-to-5 job. And I remember just sitting at the table crying, not knowing what I was going to do. And then I had a moment remembering my mom sitting at the table crying, not knowing what she was going to do. She was also a single mom. And I just had this light bulb moment of, I have to change the course of mine and my kids' lives. And that's what I've done. This community has been incredible. And not only do you learn all of this stuff about growing an online business and everything about digital marketing, but the support that this community has for everyone is just mind-blowing. It has changed my life, and it will change yours too. I hope you join us today.